So this is my Simplicity Landlord garden tractor. The longer I look at this thing, the cooler it gets. It was a barn find. It was in a barn for a really long time, which is why it's in good shape, and now I'm leaving it outside. And I don't want to do that, so I need to air the tire up, and I made some room in my garage here so I can bring it in and take a look at it. So this thing is really hard to push, and obviously it doesn't help that this wheel loses air really fast, but overall it's just a really heavy unit, so I thought I'd take the wheel weights off first. These are really thin, really doesn't weigh a lot. I'm not sure what this weighs, maybe 20 pounds. The other one's kind of stuck on there, but I'll work it loose. So I finally got the other wheel weight off, but sure stuck in there. So when it was outside, I drained all the gas out of the tank. It smelled terrible, and I spilled it all over the place, but now I know there's no gas in it. So I think what I'm gonna do first is throw a battery in it and see if it even turns over. So, just like my John Deere, this one has the circular terminal deals, and I do not have a battery that has those. I have this battery out of my Sears. Maybe I can at least see if it turns over with this. Probably end up changing the terminals on this. This is definitely not how you do this. Alright, it's the next day. I got these little battery deals, so I'm going to throw those on and throw a battery in it. And lo and behold, the tire is low again. So I just chopped off the old round terminal deals and exposed a little bit of wire. There's a black wire here that was attached right there. I'm not really sure what it does, but I'm gonna hook it up to the positive terminal when I get these little things put on. And I already lost my tool. There it is. I'm probably not doing this right, but I don't really care. I hate electrical crap. This is more of an experiment than it is anything. Yesterday, when I was trying to see if this would turn over, it was sparking, but I know that I was trying to stick round connectors over flat terminals on a newer battery, so obviously it wasn't getting very good connection. So I even found these, so I don't have to look for any bolts. Alright, positive first. I swear if this thing just turns over and has spark right away and I just have to throw gas in it and it fires, it's gonna be so cool. Because I'm really curious if the transmission works, which I think it does, because I tested it by putting it in gear and pulling on the drive belt to see if it would move, and it was. Okay. See if this thing does anything. I doubt this thing has a safety sensor for the clutch. Seat's way too far forward. No way. I'm gonna try to start this, but I'm gonna push it outside. at least it runs. Runs really choppy. Seems to be surging a little bit. Not sure why. The throttle cable and the choke don't seem to do anything. Or at least you can't really control the throttle. But honestly, it probably still has some really crappy gas in the bowl, and that's probably what it's burning. So that could be part of the reason it's kind of surging a little bit. Not really sure. I have to look into it. I don't have time right now. I really just wanted to see if it would run or not today. And I never checked the oil right there. I need to check the oil before I'm running it anyway, but it's kind of loud. I'm sure the neighbors will love that. But it sounds like good. It's not like obnoxious or anything. It is just loud. It is a big engine. If you've ever been to like a USRA or IMCA hobby stock race, it smells like hobby stock exhaust, which is awesome. It smells really good. I accidentally left my ratchet in there when I was running it, but all the gears work, including reverse. Clutch is extremely touchy. Like that's disengaged and that's engaged. So it kind of takes off fast if you don't pay attention. I had to zip tie this down because it's just sitting there. I didn't want it falling off. All right. Well, when I have time here soon, I'm gonna look into getting it running a little bit better. And I really want to take the mowing deck off. I can't even test the mowing deck because I don't have the right belt or whatever for this little deal. And that wheel's losing air already. I put air in it like 5 minutes ago. But anyway, getting pretty lucky so far with this thing, so stay tuned and I'll have some more videos on it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.